Hello, and in this video I will show you how to buy any of the RAIN product in Canada. So you need to go to the company shop followed by this link, and this link will be in the description of the video and in the comments. So you need to choose your country. Choose your language. And you need to press shop. And you will see all products that currently available in Canada. So you can check. One-time order, the price is bigger and subscription is less. What is subscription? It means that every month you buy the product and you put your card, and the company will withdraw money from your card and send the product to you, and you will see the different price here. Okay, let's do the one-time order. Add to cart, and you need to wait for this green line here, and you will see the number, the figures that appears here in the card. So press to the card, check view card, and if you want extra box, you can add, or you can delete one. Proceed to checkout. So I recommend you to create your new account, because you have option to take part in 3 and free program for customers. So you can get a free box of product every month if 3 persons will buy the product using your internet shop. How to receive your internet shop? You need to register for an account. So my recommendation, register for account. It's not difficult for you. It's doesn't cost any money. So put name here. Okay, we'll put sorry. So you need to put your correct email, because if you forget the password, the company can recover it, and also you will receive some promotion, some information from the company. Okay. For example, let's do this. It's just like a sample, but you can put your email. And after that, you need to put your name, and under this name you will get access in future to your internet shop. So and also put password that you will remember every time, all time. Okay, and submit registration. Okay, perfect. You need to put your address, correct address. Now let's do. Oh no, not here. Okay, Victory. Let's do this. Toronto. Let's do this. You need to zip code. And after that, you need to put your phone number in international format. I will put my own number. And ship to this address. Okay, you can choose payment credit card. Oh, only credit card. Okay. So what? So after that you need to put your credit card and review order, and after that company withdraw money from your account, and you will get access to your personal internet shop. It's not difficult, it's easy, like any registration in any internet shop that globally used in every country. And after that, when you will have your personal internet shop, you will find the link inside your account, and after that you can send this link to your friends, so they will buy the product, and you will get access to special program for customers, 3 and free. Okay, that's all. So be healthy, use the RAIN product, and see you later. Bye bye.